A boy walked 10 kilometers from a point A to point B on a bearing of 75 degrees. He now changes his direction and moves further 25 kilometers on a bearing of 142 degrees. A. Number 1. Sketch a diagram of his movement. And number 2. Calculate the distance from A to C. This is how to approach this problem. Once you hear from, that's where you're going to start. Then you just write your cardinal point, that is a small cross like this. This should be your north. According to the question, the boy moved from a point A. So that means this place is now our A. What is direction? That is, before you draw the distance, you must have the direction first. That is 75 degrees. That means from here to here is 90. So 75 should be around this place. So you draw carefully 75. Not to scale, right? So you now draw. Draw. So we call this one 75 degrees. What is the distance? 10 kilometers. To where? To point B. This is your B. And that B, you now draw a small cross like this again. So this is your B. According to the question, you now move further 25 kilometers on the bearing of what? 142 degrees. That means from here, you now draw again. From here to here is 90. So 142 should be around this quadrant. So you now draw 142. So remember, the distance is 25 kilometers. So when you draw this line, use your common sense. It should be longer than this. So you now draw. So this is your point C. So you now join it. So you see, you have not gotten a triangle. And what is the distance? 25 kilometers. So we can easily solve this problem by getting this angle here or anyone, and we'll solve it now. So how do you get this place? The angle from here to here. Observe this angle and this angle, they are alternate angle and they are equal. Therefore, this place is also 75 degrees. And the distance from here to here is 180 degrees. That's but it stops at 142. So if you remove it from 180, so that means this place will be now 38 degrees. Meaning, so the angle from here to here would be 113 degrees. So this question now will be solved by cosine rule because sine rule cannot work here. Because sine rule, you say this over sine this place is not given. So you can be used by cosine rule, and this place is now B. According to cosine rule, say that this square equals to this by the. I hope you know cosine rule. So now we apply it here. B squared, that's what we are looking for. B squared will now be equals to A square. Where's A square? 25 square plus C square. That is 10 squared minus 2B minus 2 times 25 times 10 cos 113 degrees. You can see use this place again. So B square will be equals to 25 squared is 625 plus 10 square 100 minus 2 times 25 50. 50 times 10 500. So this one is now 500. P square will be equals to, if you add this corner you have 725, and this is minus, sorry, minus times minus is plus, so that means this place will be plus, and if you multiply this one you will get 195.25, and you get it, you have 920.25. So B now will be equals to the square root of 920.25. So if you get the square root, now you will give you, if you get it, you're going to get approximately 30 kilometers.